Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. If you have only one day to explore Varanasi, it's essential to plan your itinerary wisely to make the most of your time. Here's a recommended one-day itinerary for a smooth and enjoyable trip to Varanasi. Morning. Start your day early to witness the mesmerizing sunrise. On the banks of the Ganges River, take a boat ride along the river to observe the morning rituals, including devotees bathing, performing prayers, and meditating. After the boat ride, explore the ghats steps, leading down to the river along the riverbank. Begin with Dasaswamedh Ghat, one of the most famous and bustling ghats in Varanasi. Take your time to absorb the spiritual ambiance and observe the various activities taking place. Visit the nearby Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the most sacred Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's a significant pilgrimage site, but be prepared for crowds. Note that non-Hindus are not allowed to enter the main sanctum, but you can still explore the temple complex. Midday. 4. Head to the nearby Manikarnika Ghat, which is one of the main cremation ghats in Varanasi. While it may seem unconventional, it provides a unique insight into Hindu funeral customs and spirituality. Remember to maintain a respectful distance and observe the proceedings without intruding. From Manikarnika Ghat, take a stroll through the narrow lanes of Varanasi's old city, known as the ghats. These lanes are filled with shops selling silk, handicrafts, and local street food. Explore the colorful bazaars and try some local delicacies, like kachoris, lassi, and sweets. Afternoon. 6. Enjoy a traditional vegetarian lunch at one of the famous local restaurants, such as Vishnu Tea Emporium or Kashi Chat Bhandar. Indulge in local specialties like chaat, puri sabzi, and thali meals. Visit the Bharat Mata Temple, a unique temple dedicated to Mother India. It features a giant relief map of India, carved out of marble and is a symbol of national unity. Take a short rickshaw ride to the famous Banaras Hindu University, BHU, one of the largest residential universities in Asia. Explore its sprawling campus and visit the new Vishwanath Temple, also known as the Golden Temple due to its gold-plated dome. Evening. 9. Return to the ghats to witness the evening Ganga Aarti ceremony at Dasaswamedh Ghat. The Aarti is a beautiful ritual of worship involving fire, incense, and chanting. Find a comfortable spot to sit and soak in the spiritual atmosphere as the ceremony unfolds. After the Aarti, enjoy a leisurely boat ride along the river to witness the illuminated ghats and temples. Sub.